So does it matter who caused the divorce? Well, in Texas, there are two types of ways to ask for divorce. There's a no-fault divorce and there's a fault divorce. No-fault divorce is the most common type of divorce that you'll see in any kind of case, in any kind of pleading. Basically, that just means that the marriage was unsustainable. There's no hope of reconciliation. We're not going to get back together. It just needs to end, and we need to split up the property and decide who gets custody of the kids. But there's also fault grounds in Texas. And the most common two are adultery or abuse. If one of the spouses is found to be at fault for the divorce, that could have an effect. That could have an effect on the division of the property. In other words, the judge may decide not to equally split the property between the two parties and may give more of the property, more money, more property, more of the house, whatever, to the party that was found not to be at fault. And these fault grounds could also have an effect on child custody issues as well. For example, if a party is found to be at fault for the divorce and that party is found, if there's a finding that person committed family violence, the person who's committed the family violence is presumed not to be able to be a managing conservator of the child. In other words, they'll be entitled to have possession of that child and visitation with that child, but they won't be able to have the same rights to make decisions about education, health care, general welfare that the person who was not at fault would. And so it's important to have a strong lawyer on your side who really understands family law, who knows how to handle these issues, especially if you've been the one that's accused of being at fault, to protect your rights, to protect your property, and to make sure that you get equal access to your kids and that you have the same rights as your spouse to make important decisions in their life. Now, on the other hand, if you're saying that your spouse was the one committing the abuse or committing the adultery, again, it's important to have a strong family lawyer on your side who can help you get what's yours, who can help you get your fair share of the community property, who can help you, make sure that you're the one who has the rights to make those important decisions in your kids' lives. At Scott Brown and Associates, we're experienced dealing with family law issues, and we can help you understand and navigate that process. We can help you, whether you've been accused of being at fault for breaking up the marriage or whether you're saying that your spouse was the one at fault. We can help you understand exactly what your rights are and help you protect those rights and enforce what's yours.